What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is pretty much going to be a single plant kind of showcase on one of my more prolific looking plants that I must have gotten about, I don't know, maybe a month and a half ago. But this one is the famous 7-pot bubblegum. I guess supposedly coming in at 1.8 million Scoville units. It is one of the top 10 super hots, which, you know, number one would be the Carolina Reaper, and then as far as the list goes, I'm not too sure on the rest, but this plant has been giving us pod after pod after pod, man. She has just gone into absolute overdrive, and these pods are looking so damn good. I just cannot, oh shit, I just snapped that, but I cannot wait to get a taste of these. I have had the ghost pepper, and that one was enjoyable, but I hear this one has a little bit more of a fruity kind of flavorful side. So yeah, this is basically a little rundown of the plant as well as my method of growing it. And yeah, there's just pods everywhere. This one is extremely prolific. I got it from a friend, or actually I bought this one online, and I transplanted it once, and then I transplanted it again. And after I put her in this, I'm not sure how big this Lowe's bucket is, but I wanted to put her in a fabric pot, but I got impatient, so I, slapped her in one of these Lowe's kind of bins. And since then, she's kind of been throwing out flowers. One thing I did have an issue with the ghost pepper was pollination. I was dropping a lot of flowers, and this one, I actually nipped a whole bunch of the blossoms until she was big enough to do what I feel like she needed to do. So I feel like now she was at that point, and I stopped nipping the blossoms, and I'm just letting the pods come in, just because I don't know how much longer I have until, they go dormant. So it might be a while, it might be, might be soon. I don't know. And as you can see here, I have one that's finally kind of starting to ripen up on me. I guess the weird thing about these is the actual stem will turn red as well when the fruit is completely ripe. So that's something to look for when you are growing this plant and you are trying to judge. It's not like your typical once the pod is red, then the thing is ready to harvest. I've seen them with the whole stem red. I've seen them with the calyx itself red, but it's all personal preference. I think once the beginning of the calyx goes red, then it's ready to go. You can wait till the stem goes fully red, but I'm gonna just go ahead and harvest that red. So yeah, these are gorgeous, man. Look at these. So this is the first pod that actually ripened on me. The rest are kind of, trailing along, doing their thing. I haven't seen too much crazy growth. I have noticed some of the blossoms are falling off for whatever reason that is, but it's nothing to, worry about. You just let the plant do its thing. It goes about its natural process regardless. I don't think I need to fertilize because I've covered all the aspects of the grow, but I am gonna go ahead and supplement some Epsom salts pretty damn soon. I don't know, for some reason I'll water this plant and it'll still wilt, so I just don't think they like direct sunlight. But yeah, that is pretty much my video or overview. As far as fertilizing, I went ahead with a organic no-till mix. I went ahead and did the earthworms later on. That way I could have a clump of them established in the root zone. And you can see that that stem is pretty damn sturdy. She kind of, you know, rooted out a little bit. I think I maybe should have planted a little bit deeper, but it's not that big of a deal. So I went ahead and, you know, did that no-till mix, and then I added a Buds and Roses by Dr. Earth. And since then, I mean, I want to say I have at least, I don't know, 15 pods at the most. We're gonna see what else she does. I'm gonna start snipping a couple of these that are on single branches, like this one. See, these dark green ones that just fell off, those aren't gonna make it. So say when they're dark green from the beginning, they're not gonna make it. That's a pretty good sign. They're usually supposed to start off light green, and then they'll, you know, darken up when they're beginning to ripen. When it's a little bit darker, then something's up. Yeah, so I just hit her with always pH the water. Don't forget that some pepper plants are heavy magnesium and calcium feeders, and you know, they obviously need that supplemented. See, this is another green one. They need that supplemented in their little diet. See, when it's dark green like that, take it out. Save yourself the trouble. But yeah, guys, that is the overview on the 7-pot bubblegum. Once she ripens up, I will probably post a couple pictures or videos or whatever of the final product, and I will tell you guys exactly how damn hot these things were. I'm gonna have some friends try them out too and make some hot sauce. But yeah, guys, that is it. Hopefully the next time I come back, I have some ripe pods and I can give them a shot. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I will see you guys later. Peace.